Hi, welcome to the Design channel. In this video, let me show you how to make this exercise. And it's also known as angel support bracket. You can see the dimension part here. Okay, let's make a modeling from Solidworks. From the Solidworks interface, let's start let's start our sketch from top plan. Click and then make it a normal tool. For the next step, right click and then click sketch. Well, see, for the next step, let's click to this line and check for construction. Start from this origin and then right click, then click select. Let's define for its dimension. But let's make first its angle T for 45 degree. For the next step, give this line length to 56 millimeter and then apply. And then click to this line and make it to for 38 millimeter. And then click for offset entities. And then fill for this dialog box to 6 millimeter. Cause there's information this thickness is 12. And then select bidirectional. And then click to this line. Fly. Let's give for radius from this point and this point by click for these fillets. First one, make sure 18 for its radius from this point. Fly. And for second one, and it is 6 millimeter. Okay. Well, for the next step, click to this toggle and select your midpoint line. Start from this point. Right click, then click select. Let's define for this length to 70 millimeter. Fly. For the next step, click to this toggle, expand, and midpoint line. Make it vertical. Right click, then click select. Define for 70 millimeter. Then let's make for distance from this origin, and it is 20 millimeter. Next step, we can connect from this point to this point, and then to this point, just blank, right click, then click select, and From this point, just make it for straight, right click, then select. Let's delete for the unnecessary line. Make sure time to close is selected from this dialog box. And then click this line. Click affiliates and then give for 35 for its radius. Then select from this point and apply. Well, from this one, click trim so select it and then tap close and then select this line. Let's delete. And then I want to make a midpoint line. From this point and give the smart dimension its length, and it is 3 millimeter. I'm sorry. There's and it is 20 millimeter by this value is from 70 means for 50, and then there is 3 millimeter from this distance. Okay, and then click this line. Let's connect. Right click and click select. Make sure and then click on mirror entities. Let's mirror from these entities, mirror about from this line, and then entities to mirror, select for this one. So we'll copy on these sides and then apply. Well, from this one, let's make it for its thickness. Ctrl 7 to make it for isometric view, and then click up here, extrude wash. For the first one, let's define for this thickness 12 millimeter. Click from sketch contour, then 5. Expand from toggle, click to the sketch and extrude wash, and then let's define for the sketch thickness, and it is 46 millimeter plus 12 millimeter, and it is from this thickness and buff for this thickness. Fly. Expand more, click from sketch to show the sketch and extrude wash, and then make it for 70 millimeter from this value. Select for this contour and then apply. Okay. The model runs work for this one. And then let's make it for modeling from this surface, click, and then make it normal too. And then click more and let's sketch. From the surface, let's compare entities. So the sketch is appear on this surface. And then let's turn to entities and turn to cross selected. Then I want to delete for ancestry line. Okay. Next step, let's click to this circle. define for this center line. Click customer dimension, make it for smaller circle, and its dimension 38 millimeter. Okay, and there's distance from this base, and it is 38 millimeter too. And then I want to make up for the bigger one, but it's from the center. Let's define for. Let's define for, and it is 50 millimeter for its diameter. Okay. And then click this line. Let's select from this point. Right click, then click select, and then line, and make it for construction line, and then it's used for guideline. Sketch, right click, then click select. Then let's click on mirror entities. Mirror but for this line, and entities mirror to I'm sorry. This is line. Okay, let's make okay. But click to this line, and then click to the circle, and make sure it is tangent. Look, this two line is with tangent for the circle. Then click trim entities, and you can select for this line. Let's delete for the ancestry. Okay. Then let's give the thickness from the sketch. By click. I'm sorry. Let's for make over thickness. Let's delete for this ancestral line to fly, and then click a feeder. Next step, click extrude boss, and define for. Okay. Define for 12 millimeter. Look, and apply. Expand for toggle, click to the sketch, and then let's click for edit sketch. I'm sorry. Just click for the extrude boss. Go to the select contour, right click, then click select, delete selection, and you can select for this circle, and then define for its thickness to 20 millimeter. Okay. Looks fits real here. Then let's make up for holes from this surface. Okay, let's click. Make a normal too. Let's make for line for construction line and start from this origin. Right click, then click select. Okay, for the first one, looks there's information. Its diameter is 4 multiply and 12. So let's make for first circle. Define diameter, and it is 12 millimeter. Okay. And there is information. The information is this line. For this line. Sorry. This line from this line, and it is 12 millimeter. Okay. Hmm. Then from this line, bro. So, so that from this line to this line and so this line to and this line to and it is 12 millimeter too. So it will center from this box. Apply. And then mark it for second one. For the second one. Okay, it seems for this on. Click for this. This is 12 too. This is 12 millimeter too. And then this diameter, press and hold the control button, then click to this vehicle. So from this at relation and it is equal. Okay. But no. From this line and it is 25 millimeter and then apply. Okay. Let's mirror entities to make on the right sides. Mirror about, select for this line, and then this to mirror, just select to circle. Okay. Let's click on feeders and then extrude cuts. From this direction one, you can change for this line to up to next. And then apply. Looks. It will cut for this body. Next, let's define for holes from the surface until to the surface. Stroke O. Press and hold the control button and then to the surface too. And then click a reference geometry and then click flat. Looks. It will show the position is mid position from this two circle. And apply. Okay. Right click and then make a normal tool. Then right click, then click sketch. Okay guys. Click for this line. Start from this point. Just length for this line. Right click, then click select. Okay. Click on toggle and then midpoint line. Let's for the first one. Let's make a for 6 millimeter for this one. Point. Right click, then click select. Smart dimension. And define for 6 millimeter. Okay. And then we can click for this toggle and midpoint line. Look the information holds for 2 in 25. So it will change for 4 millimeter, 4 millimeter, 4, 25, distance. Okay. And this 25 distance, if we lengthen for these holes, it will be small. Okay, let's click for this line. Connect to this point. Extend entities. Trim entities. Make a power trim. Let's see. Okay. And apply. You can connect for this point to this point. Right click, then click select. Okay, trim this ancestral line. Sorry. I'm sorry. Term entities. Turn to cross selected, then go to line. Okay. Okay. Let's fly. Click on feeders. Then go to the revolve cut. Make sure uncheck for thin feeder. And then access for revolution. Click to this line. And then select contour. Click to this one. And then this one too. Okay. And looks. The holes is will form from this model. Let's head for this plane. Ctrl 7 to change the instrumental view. Looks, and I want to. This is the optional. You can make your own. For the first one, I want to change is its color. Metal steel. So maybe for brush steel. And then okay. You make your appearance here. Okay, guys. The art modeling is done. I hope you can follow my instruction clearly. And if you can have a fail comment or method, you can contact me or comment on this dialog box. I hope this channel will grow and I can routine for upload. I hope you can support me too. See you on my next video.